And this is not Skilling Man, sorry, that's my old name. This is Gamer XD back with another episode of Minecraft Pocket Edition. I hope you enjoy episode 2, Furnace and Food. Sorry guys, internet's kind of slow today, so yeah. So, let's get to the world that I created. Let's hope that it is, this is hope that's not nighttime because I really don't want to wait all night, you know? You know what I mean, you know? Nice. Oh, wow. It might be actually morning time right now. If I'm not mistaken. Come on, don't destroy. Okay, guys. Well, no, it is morning time. Being laggy a little bit. Oh, well, I'll see what I can do. So first, let's get some food. Oh, some wood. Sorry, not food. What's up with my lag? What's up with the lagging here, dude? Huh. Anyway, so I'm just getting the wood to make some tools to get the stone for the to get the stone for the furnace here. And as you can see, oh, did you see that? Pretty sure you did. You should have, dude. Close call. Man. Hate it when that happens. Creeper creep up right behind us. That's what I call creepers. Okay, let's make some weapons. Forgot to show you how to do this in the other episode. Sorry about that. Put the rest of this wood in here for. You're gonna need a furnace for some torches, so that's what I'm gonna show you how to do too in this episode. Torches as well. Oh, man, I hate the lag. But oh well, sometimes you have to live with it, you know. Man, that creeper blew up big, didn't he? Actually, you may have got a good start on some stone for me. Yep. Four, 5, 6, 7, 8. 7. Wait. Alright, so you need 8 stone to make a furnace. You make a way out, so let's go ahead and. It would be weird if you could have stone armor. Which I'll be showing you how to make armor in the 5th episode, more than likely. If we keep on moving at the progress that we're having right now. Hopefully you guys learned a lot from the last video. Like, if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to Bros Gaming. Alright. Alright, so you need 8 stone to make a furnace, just like that. Okay, now I got a furnace. Now let's get the wood out of there. Just throw it in there. Let's make some charcoal. It's starting to get late at night in my place. Alright, got the charcoal. Let's make the torches. There we go. I want to save these for later. Alright, what time is it? Not too late to go find some food. I'm supposed to find some food. What the heck? If I can't find no food, how am I supposed to show you guys how to cook it? Rabbits. Come on. Don't leave me off this way. Well, looks like I can't find any food right now. Dang it. Well, guys, I have no food. Hear that? That's creepy. Did you hear those footsteps? You hear that? And that's what you do is you take the food, you put it in the furnace with some wood as the fuel, you know? And then there you go. You got cooked food. Anyway, so I wish I could make this episode longer, but I can't, so good night, and hope this came into use for you. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you in the next video, episode 3.